Now we're going to place the images inside of our document. So you want to select where you want your first image to go, which is frame 1. Make sure it's selected. Then we go in the properties panel, we choose insert image, place local linked. And then we're going to place the beach image on number 1. Select the second placeholder and do the same. Place local from link, dislinked. Then we're going to put DeYoung. Select our third, place local linked. Then choose main 1. Choose our fourth, place local linked, and then choose North Shore. Now, there's a couple of things that happened. Let me go ahead and zoom in. One, our image, main 1 frame, is too small, and you can see the gray area on the top and the bottom. So we need to fix that. Now, this is in the layers main 1 frame. We need to decide if we're going to select the thumbnail in the gray or the thumbnail of the image. We need to click the thumbnail of the image and then go File, or is it Edit, Transform, Scale. And we need to make it larger to fit that gray area. So now it totally fits, and double click to accept it. It looks like I messed up slightly. I can still see the gray outside. So let me go ahead and do it again. So edit, transform, scale. I'm gonna pull this pretty hard. And yep, and there it is. I still see an outline of a gray area. I'm not quite sure why. It should work. But anyways, there it is. Go ahead and save your file.